Katana Directorate of Commerce and Industries kala penong ka State Award Scheme ka bahnyo na ka benta ki Nongthain ban rakhe ka jing tibet ba jing pana ban than jing than ban penwandur ta ka ti ha ka Jylla Meghalaya na ki san phulai ngo ki nong shimenta na ki district ki ba pher sangut ki nong shimenta ki yo ya ka jing ithu na ka Sorkar Jylla ya ki jing no sanyang ki barat ba ki jong ki ha ka kam penwandur da ki dieng ka jing shna ki jing deng tenrai ka jing thai no 3 usie ba ha ka jing thau khiu inong job ki kidhup ya ijen dressing kur kalang thekung ke sangma rolen pertu kasbar ar sangma bat talsinji moment
We started this award scheme since the year 2015-16, and today is the 7th year. As we said, the objective of this award is to recognize your skills. Having said that, you will be not thoughtful if this award distribution ends with the giving of award. But the deeper objective of this award is to enable you to pass on your skills to generations. As a department, we foresee that most of the skills perhaps vanish without successive passing on to next generations. Therefore, on behalf of the department, my request to our award is, let this not end today with the award, but once you go to your village, your town, impart training so that your skills survive and pass on to new generations. I urge all the GMs to handhold these 5 awardees so that they can participate in the national award. As you all know, the national award scheme has already been invited, and the last date for submission of documents, artifacts, is on 4th May 2025.